everyone. I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going through how to make an HTML form which looks somewhat like this. We are going to add more details to this and I will explain you step by step on how to make this form. For today's video, we're going to be using the Notepad because it is easily available for everyone. So let's just get right into it. First, we will start by adding the HTML tags. Add the title of your choice. I will add form. Close the title and the head. Now we're going to get started with the body. We're going to keep the background white, just as shown in the photo. I will add the h1 tag. Now let's get started with the form. Once I start form, I'm going to add the field set. The field set is a tag which adds a border to the whole form, making it neat. And inside the field set, I want a caption, which is employee details. So what I will do is add the legend tag, which is used to describe the caption of the field set. Here I will write employee details. Close the legend and we will close the field set in the end. Now we're going to add the tag for the name. We will write first name and last name. First name, and then we're going to add the input tag and add the type text, and we will add it required so that we can make sure that it is required. Now let's add the last name and the code will be the same. Now let me save it and open it in Google Chrome. Make sure to add the extension. Now let's go to the desktop and open it. Now as you can see, H1 has come and we can see the field set clearly. But you might be thinking that both of these are in the same line. To make them in different lines, we have to add the BR tag, which is used to add a line break between these elements. Once we have done that, let's add BR to the next line also. Let's go ahead to the photograph and see what we have to do next. We have to ask the gender of the employee. So what we will do is write gender and then I will write input type is equal to radio. Radio means we can choose only one option between these two. Let's go here, type is equal to radio, and then I will write male here. Then I will go to the next line and add input type is equal to radio for female. We will close this and write female. Let's save this and open it. Now as you can see, we get this gender, first name and last name, and everything is in different lines. which is looking pretty tidy. If you want, you can remove this H1 tag. And now when you go here, you will see that the H1 has gone. And we are able to totally mask the image which is here. Now, I told you that we are going to do something different from this image. So let's add the phone number and email tags. These tags will allow us to ask the email and phone number of the employee. So we will write phone number. And then I will write input type is equal to number. And let's keep this required. Now once you go here, you will see that this phone number tag has come, and if I type here, I won't get any scrolling arrows which add the numbers here, but here we will get it because we have added the number tag, which allows us to use the code of any country. For example, India's code is -91, so we will be allowed to add this code. See, you can add this. Now let's add the email. So I will write down email. Then input type is equal to email. Just to inform you, HTML is not a case-sensitive language, so you don't need to worry about the capitals and small letters. But do make sure that the spellings of the functions are correct, or else it won't work. It is your choice to keep it required, but I prefer to keep it required. Make sure to add the BR tag after every element. Now when you go here, you will see that we get this email tag. Now let's move forward. Let's ask the user for their designation. Here we can add a drop-down menu or just ask them to enter their city. A drop-down menu would be better, so let's add that. Let me write down city. We will ask for the designation later. We will write down city and we will add the select tag, so that whenever the user wants to select their city, they will just have to click on the button and a drop-down menu will appear which shows us the cities. Once we have added the select tag, we are going to the next line and add the option tag, which defines the options of the drop-down menu. Here I will write name of few cities. Once this is done, close the select tag and add BR. Now once again, save it and open it here. Now as you can see that you get the city option, and when you click on this button, you get this drop down menu. But one thing here, as I told you, we have to add the BR tag in this email also, so that there is a line break between these two elements. Now once again save it and open it in Google Chrome. Now here you will see that everything is in different lines and we are almost done with the form. Now let's add the designation. The code for here will be input type is equal to text, and I won't prefer to keep it required. we want the user to enter the image of their Aadhaar card, PAN card, or any other file, we can add an element which allows the users to browse their files from the PC or phone. Let's write Aadhaar card. Here we will write input type is equal to file. And let's keep this required. Now let's go into Google Chrome and refresh the page. Now as you can see, we get the designation tag, and here in the Aadhaar card you will see that there is an option to choose file, and it says no file chosen. Whenever we click on this button, it will allow us to browse any pictures, videos or music from our PC and open it in this image. Now it is time to add the submit button. To add that, we have to add the button tag and write down submit in here. And now, once we are done with that, let's close the field set. Go into Google Chrome, refresh the page, and there you go. Our form is fully completed and it is ready. Now, whenever we hover over any field, it will ask us to fill out this field. So let's do that. And if I submit the form without entering any required details, it will ask us to fill out the field. And here, as you can see, this radio button allows us to select one of these. And it will ask us to fill out this field. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you. Goodbye.